Hey there, English learners! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in the south of Latvia, standing here in front of one of the most beautiful and historically important landmarks in the country, the Bauska Castle. Let's go and explore together for your listening practice.
The town of Bauska is known for its calm atmosphere and its strong connection to history, especially the castle that stands near the rivers.
The castle was built at the end of the 15th century by the Livonian Order,
a powerful group of knights who controlled large parts of the Baltic region. A knight is a soldier in the Middle Ages. At that time, the area was under threat from neighbouring states, so the castle was designed as a military fortress to defend the region and show political power. A military fortress is a strong building used by soldiers to defend against enemies. Large cannons were placed to defend the castle from attacking armies. Cannons are a large tubular weapon used in battles. The stones of the walls are rough and weathered, showing how long the castle has stood here.
The outer part of the castle was used mainly for defense.
Soldiers trained here, guarded the gates, and stored weapons, such as swords, spears, and shields, which were used for fighting and defense. Weapons are tools used in fighting or war. The castle also had stables. Stables are buildings used to keep horses. Horses were essential for travel, transport, and warfare during medieval times. By the beginning of the 17th century, Bauska Castle was transformed from a fortress into a residence for the Dukes of Courland. Inside the castle, large halls and private rooms were filled with heavy wooden furniture, long tables, chairs, cupboards, and large chests were used for storage and daily life. Chests are large wooden boxes used for storage. Beds were often made of wood and covered with thick fabrics to keep warmth during cold seasons. Decorative elements such as tapestries and sophisticated furniture showed wealth and social status. Tapestries are thick decorative wall hangings made of fabric. Inside the living rooms, tiled chimneys were used to heat the castle during cold winters. Tiled chimneys are heating structures covered with ceramic tiles. Light in the castle came from candle holders made of metal or wood. Candle holders are objects used to hold candles for light. Inside the castle, visitors can see noble clothing from the 16th and 17th centuries. Men wore long cloaks, often made from heavy, expensive fabrics. Both men and women often wore rough colors. The castle kitchen was an important working area. It contained large fireplaces used for cooking, metal pots, pans, knives, and other kitchen supplies. Supplies are items kept for future use.
But the history was not always kind to the castle. In the 18th century, because of the wars with the Russian Empire, the castle was burned and abandoned.
The main medieval tower is about 22 meters high. It was used as a watchtower, allowing guards to observe the surrounding land and rivers. Today, Bauska is a modern town with schools, health centers, and services for residents. Life here is slower compared to the capital city, but the town continues to develop while preserving its historical identity.
Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this journey through time, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. See you in the next adventure.